Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights. I'm your host, David, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: asbestos removal Newcastle. Safe, professional, and reliable services. We'll be pulling out the key highlights, takeaways, and FAQs from our latest blog post to give you a quick, enticing summary. This isn't just about information, it's about your peace of mind and safety. We'll be exploring why professional asbestos removal is absolutely non-negotiable, especially for our vibrant Newcastle community. So, let's get right into it, shall we? Our blog post kicks off by highlighting that Asbestos Removal Newcastle specialises in safe and compliant services for both homes and businesses right here. Our fully licensed and certified team ensures strict adherence to local regulations for both removal and environmentally responsible disposal. You see, with Newcastle's unique building landscape, our local expertise is critical in efficiently identifying and addressing asbestos risks, causing minimal disruption to your daily life. What does that mean for you? It means certified professionals, safe and green disposal methods, rapid, hassle-free service tailored to your needs, and above all, local expertise you can truly trust. It's about breathing easy once more. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is asbestos removal and why is it necessary? Well, it's the process of safely eliminating hazardous asbestos-containing materials from your property, because when disturbed, it can lead to serious health risks like lung diseases and cancer. And how do you know if your property has it? If it was built before the 1990s, it's a strong possibility. We handle everything with care, from sealing off the area to specialized equipment and proper disposal. Our process is designed to be as efficient as possible, and we provide a timeline up front. Remember, safe removal is absolutely possible when handled by certified professionals like us. Health safety compliance is truly non-negotiable when it comes to asbestos. You need to understand that improper removal can have devastating consequences. Our team follows stringent safety guidelines, thorough training, and uses appropriate protective gear to safeguard everyone involved, especially your family and the community. We conduct detailed assessments, adhere to all local and national regulations, and ensure transparent communication every step of the way. This commitment isn't just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding them to give you absolute peace of mind. Why gamble with your well-being when professional, safe solutions are readily available? It's time to invest in that peace of mind.